All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Guasti YouTube channel. Today we are down here at Lee Tuning and Racing, and we are going to be unboxing a Shaun's Custom Alloy and Lee Tuning and Racing billet intake for Boss Lady. Jorge has it over there on the table. Jorge, we're gonna do an unboxing. Are we gonna do an unboxing? We're gonna open that.
Yeah, we can open it.
Yeah. Make this one a separate video. This one's gonna be just Jorge and me. Is this you?
No.
Not a paid advertisement. This came all the way from Australia, yep. Right?
Yep.
There's what? There's two more of them in stock up there. Yeah, those two up there in stock. He also has these. These are also Shaun's Custom Alloy billet valve covers. Those are nice.
Quite protected, for sure.
It's pretty, apparently it's fragile. In case you didn't know, it's fragile.
Then we get to this. Then more protection. All right.
Oh man. Okay, I know you guys are gonna want to, you're trying to skip through, but just let the anticipation build up. Don't push the fast forward button.
I know, right?
Don't go fast forwarding.
Yeah.
There's all sorts of, there's secret billet stuff laying all around, so make sure you're not looking outside of the, just look at this, don't look at other stuff. Oh my God, I'm so excited. One more. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me.
There we go.
Oh, my goodness. Look at this thing. Wow. It comes with the burst plates too, right?
Yes, right here.
Burst plates come with it. A lot of one, that's an option. You have to pay extra for burst plates, but this comes with the ports and burst plates on it.
Oh, you check that out.
Let me see if I can get a light real quick. Si, by the way, you're fired. Jorge is going to be taking over media and customer relations.
Yeah, I get paid.
Wait, this is a flashlight. Oh yeah.
That awesome.
That looks really nice. And it's a bolt together too.
Yep.
So if you really wanted to, you could take it apart. Take it apart and look at it.
Use the port that I was.
Yeah, so this is going on Boss Lady, right?
Yep.
So we got to get the ports. This is 6 ORB and 4.
Yes.
And there's 5 ports on the back.
Correct.
So you could run like brake booster, you know, manifold pressure, all that sort of stuff on here.
Everything.
All the sensors and fuel rails too come, right?
Yeah, that
these are
12
ANs. Yep.
Huge.
12 AN. Oh man, those are nice and slippery. And single injector or
these are
single injector, but you can, if you ask Si, sure. Yeah, we could do 2 injectors on it. I think I've seen them with 2 injectors already. Let me see. See what Si's doing. He might be in here changing or something. He's getting naked.
Yeah.
Jorge's out there getting naked.
That's awesome.
He's showing us his intake.
Why is he doing this?
I don't know. I just got my first good look at an unboxing of one of those intakes.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it's really nice. The top of this thing looks just like the top of your head almost.
It does.
Like right, see right here?
Yeah.
It's like all here, wait. Looks like the top of Sai's head, doesn't it?
I'm not sure which side here.
Dang. Dang. He said that he had more hair on his face than you do on your entire body.
There's a good chance. There's a good chance. I mean, there are parts that would get.
I got more hair on my balls though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably just as curly.
Bleep. Did Shaun tell you how long these take to make? Like in CNC?
He says it takes 40 hours per intake.
40 hours per intake. That's freaking nuts. Could you imagine just having, if you were nice, just so nice. Like your car, you know what I mean? Billet valve covers and an intake. Boy,
Nice, right?
boy, oh boy, these are some nice pieces. You can see all of the tooling marks.
Dude, why do you keep filming me, man?
Because you're good on camera, man. You're doing a great job. Well, thanks for watching. This has been a successful unboxing of a Shaun's custom alloy intake. Looks good. Say see you later.
Bye.
All right, thanks for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.